Hello guys, today we will discuss a high level of Python reverse shell which will run over HTTP protocol. So the question comes in, why HTTP? As you know, HTTP protocol is highly likely to be opened on the outbound or egress firewall rules because it's obviously used for web surfing. Also, in every network there are a lot of HTTP traffic. So that makes the monitoring much harder and the chances for us to slip away are high. Okay, so how this will work in our case? We will configure a simple HTTP server on the Kali side. So this is gonna be HTTP server. And this HTTP server is responsible to handle the incoming HTTP connection from our target. So on the other hand here, the client will initiate a reverse HTTP connection back to the server using HTTP GET method. So HTTP GET method. On the server, once we got HTTP request, we will start taking command from the user. So once we got this HTTP GET from the client, that will create an input prompt so the user or us can enter our command. And once we have this command, we will send it back to the target. Now, as you know, once the target gets this command, it's gonna initiate a sub-process, execute the command, and send the command result back to us as an HTTP post. So this is gonna be HTTP post, and it will contain the command output or the command execution output. Now, to ensure the continuity of our shell, we will do a sleep for 3 seconds. So sleep for 3 seconds, and then repeat the whole process all over again into infinite loop. So after 3 seconds, the client will also create an HTTP GET waiting for the Kali or the user to send a command. Okay guys, this is supposed to be a very short lecture and I hope it has been informative for you. And on the next lecture, we will start the coding part. Thanks for watching.